This dance is called Red River Valley. It's a 64 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance. Starting on our right foot, nice and easy to start with. Walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right. Touch the left beside the right. Walk back 3 steps, left, right, left. Touch the right beside the left. Nice and easy, so let's add the next section on. Side touches. Step right to the side, touch left beside the right, left to the side, touch right beside the left. Jazz box, quarter, cross. Cross right over left, step the left back, quarter turn right, cross left over right. So let's take it up to there. Walking forward up on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross. Add on a couple of mambo crosses. So rock to the side on the right, recover your way to the left, cross right over left, hold. Repeat with the left. Rock to the side on the left, recover the weight on the right, cross left over right, hold. 2 mambo crosses. Just do those once more. Half on the right. 7, 8. Mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. So add that to the top. Walking forward, half on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross. Mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. Rocking chair, right foot leading. Rock forward on the right, rock back on the right and recover. Step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. Step pivot half, step pivot quarter. Now add that up, it gives you a 3/4 of a turn. If you want to try and take that out, what you can do as an alternative is rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Do not do that step pivot half. Rock back on the right, and as you recover, make a quarter turn to the right. You'll be in the same position, same place as everybody else. You will have just taken out that 3/4 of a turn. So non-turning steps should you wish to take them out. Otherwise, that section again, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot half, step, pivot quarter. Let's take it up to there, that is our halfway point. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. So from our halfway point then, weave to the left. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step left to the side, cross the right behind the left, touch the left beside the right. Repeat with the left foot leading, weaving to the right, cross left over right, right to side, left behind, touch the right beside the left. So that section once more then, crossing right over left, 7, 8, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Now we're going to add on some paddles. 4 sets of paddle turns. But these paddle turns are actually going to make 3/4 of a turn, so you'll end up facing 9 o'clock. Strictly speaking, it's 3/16 of a turn each, but as long as you do 4 of them and get yourself back to 9 o'clock, that's fine. So you will touch your right forward, move yourself around a bit. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 paddle turns, touch and turn yourself around a little bit, 4 of them to get you to 9 o'clock. Now that is again a 3/4 of a turn with those paddles. If you want to try and take that out, the best thing I can think of for you to do is to go in the same direction as everybody else to start with and then double back on yourself. So what you can actually do is do 2 1/8 of a turn, paddle 1/8, paddle 1/8. Then reverse yourself, paddle back a quarter, paddle back a quarter. You'll end up the same place as everybody else, but you won't have done that 3/4 of a turn. But it might feel a bit foreign. Can be done, I have tried it. So that's a non-turning option, should you wish to try and take out the 3/4 of a turn in the 4 paddles. Otherwise, if you're paddling, off on that right, 7, 8, paddle, 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 paddle. Like I say, it doesn't matter exactly how far you turn as long as 4 of them get you to 9 o'clock. So let's add that to our halfway point. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Into a K-step, nice and easy. So step the right forward diagonally, touch left beside the right. Left diagonally back to the left, touch right beside the left. Right diagonally back to the right, left beside the right. Left diagonally left and touch the right beside the left. Nice easy K-step. Just do it once more. 7, 8, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Let's add that to our halfway point. Weaving left off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. To finish the dance, another rocking chair, right foot leading. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Now you're going to continue turning left as you make a full turn over 2 counts. If you don't want to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise, half a turn left as you step the right back, half a turn left as you step that left forward. And you're ready to start the dance again. Now, I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the dance and the walk through. I will be doing the non-turning walk version when the music is on, but I'll continue to chant full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that to our halfway point, weaving left off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, turn, turn. That's your full turn at the end. And you're ready to start walking forward. So, not an and count in sight in this dance, but it is a 64 count, so we've done the 2 halves. We have to add them together. From the top then, all the way through. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 touch, back, touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch, paddle, 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 step, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn. So that is your dance. But it's formal dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walks. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross. Mambo, cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn. Walk, 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 touch, back, back, touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross. Mambo, cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn. Walk, 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 touch, back, touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross. Mambo, cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch. Paddle, 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 paddle. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn. So that's your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music.
Happy they say you are
side touch, cross, back,
I
cross,
will miss your bright eyes and sweet smile.
rocking chair, step, pivot,
They
cross,
say
side, behind,
you
touch,
are
cross, side, behind, touch, paddle,
sunshine.
paddle,
And
paddle,
as
step,
bright
touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn,
sit by
walk,
my
touch,
side,
touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross,
knees
cross,
to bid
cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch, paddle, step, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn, walk, touch, back, touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross, mambo, cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch, paddle, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, full turn, walk, touch, back, touch, side, touch, cross, back, turn, cross, mambo, cross, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, touch, cross, side, behind, touch, paddle, step, touch, Side touch.
you love me. Do
Mambo.
not hasten to bid
Rocking
me
chair.
adieu. But remember the Red River
Paddles.
Valley and
Okay,
the
step.
cowboy who loves you
Rocking
so
chair.
true.
Walks. Side touch. Mambo. Hope you managed that one.